Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be bringing you guys this absolutely beautiful, and I know I'm tooting my own horn, but come on guys. Anyways guys, I figured this is the time for protective styling, so why not bring you guys tutorials to help you achieve your best, your absolute best protective styles this winter. So what we have here is this easy to follow cornrowing tutorial. Again, it's feed-in braids. If you don't know how to do feed-in braids, guys, there is a tutorial, a full-on tutorial teaching you exactly how to do it in slow motion. However, I did show you guys the steps in this video too. So just stay tuned, enjoy, and let me know if you guys recreate any of these videos. Tag me on social media. I want to see you guys flourish. Okay, thank you guys so much as usual. I really appreciate you. Enjoy the video. Mwah.
For this tutorial or this hairstyle are very easy. It's just one of those tutorials that has a couple of parts, but other than that, the steps themselves, the tutorial itself is easy. So you're going to start off by sectioning your hair, and the way that you're going to section your hair is you're going to section your hair right in the center, and you're going to section all your hair into 4 equal parts. You can section this in a way that's most flattering for your face. You can make it at an angle, you can make it all the way back like I did, and then what you're going to do is you're going to use your middle parting as a guide, and then you're going to section a small piece, a small row on the one side of your middle parting, so it can be the right or the left, and then you're going to cornrow 2 cornrows going down on the left, and then another 2 cornrows on the right. After you are done doing that, you can now go in with your ISO Plus. I went in with my ISO Plus edge control, but you can use your favorite edge control, whatever works best for your hair, and you're now going to start cornrowing. So the base for each and every single crochet feed-in braids is your cornrows. So you need to make your cornrows fairly tight but not too much, because remember, you still need to go in with your actual crochet needle, and you don't want to end up causing tension on your head by putting through your crochet needle on like really tight cornrows. So you're going to cornrow your hair all the way to the back. If you really want to sleek down, feel free to go in with more edge control and just like really sleek down your 4C hair. The other nice thing about the crochet feed-in braids is that considering depending on where you live, obviously the weather can just be such a mess, especially where I stay. And what ends up happening is when you're feed-in braids, you know, like that frizz that pulls through when you've gotten into contact with moisture. When you've done the crochet feed-in braids, you don't have to worry about, because your 4C hair is actually pretty covered, so it won't pop up on the tops of your braids of your canicolone hair, because as you all know, canicolone hair isn't the same texture as our natural hair. And now what you're going to do is you're going to start taking in small little pieces of your canicolone hair. Make sure that you feathered your canicolone hair at the ends, and you're just going to crochet them into your cornrows. Once you've crocheted them into your cornrows, what you need to do is make sure that your hair is entangled. It will make the cornrowing process so much easier. And now all you have to do is cornrow your crocheted canicolone hair down, and once you've cornrowed it down, as you can see, it completely covers your actual bottom cornrows, and you can make it as thick as you want, as big as you want, and you don't have to worry at all about not being able to hold your 4C hair, especially if you have short 4C hair like myself. So the cornrows really do come out beautifully, and it looks just amazing. You're going to do that on both sides of your head. So again, you're going to go in with small pieces of canicolone hair. You're going to crochet them into your cornrows, and once you crochet them into your cornrows, you're going to cornrow the crocheted hair down. And once you've cornrowed it down, it will look like feed-in braids. You will have that tapered small thin start, and then that goes bigger and thicker as you go. Depending on how thick you want it, you can choose how much hair you're going to put with every crochet you're going to add. So the thickness is really just dependent on you. You can add more hair if you want it thicker, or less hair if you don't want it as thick as mine looks. So you're going to just continue doing that. As you can see, once you've cornrowed your crocheted braids, once you've cornrowed down the canicolone hair that you added using your crochet, your cornrows are completely hidden and it looks so pretty, guys. Like I'm so glad that I discovered how to do this and I learned how to do it, because honestly it's made my life so much easier. And yeah, it really does change your life. Now I'm just going to go in once again with my edge control and the tip of my comb. This just allows me to really work on my edges to get them to look the way that I really want them to look, and you're going to continue doing that until your edges are sleeked if you're an edge sleeker. If you're not, then don't worry about it. I'm now going to add a cornrowed Alice band, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to give more volume to my bun, and then I'm just going to start wrapping the ends around themselves, and there you go, you've got a very thick, heavy bun. I'm now going to add safety pins to the hairstyle just to give it some edge and va-va-voom, and there you have it, guys, the prettiest hairstyle ever.
I know y'all love me, right? How easy was this? Like, guys, sometimes when you see certain hairstyles on Pinterest, on other people, you're just like, how did they do it? We did it! We found a way to do it ourselves and to do it at home at an affordable price. Now, as opposed to paying your 900 rand for this hairstyle, all you got to do is buy your darling braid, to buy your canicolone hair for 10, 20, 30 rand, depending on your preference, and here you go, you're done. You have a hot hairstyle. So to all my students, you have absolutely no excuse. To all those that are starting work, to all of you, guys, come on, how gorgeous is this? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. If it wasn't for you, I'm only here because you guys support me. I absolutely appreciate you guys, and I hope that you guys are enjoying your week. It's Thursday now, the week is almost over, so finish it off with a bang, and I will see you guys on the next one. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, you're here, right? So why don't you just watch this video right here? You're already here. You are here, and I promise you, your boss won't mind if you just add another 10 minutes to your break to watch more. Anyways, guys, mwah.